What up? And we back. I'm really tired. I don't know why. I'm just exhausted. But we're back in Lubbock. Winter break is over. And I got this neat little doodad there now. So, back at you guys. So winter break is over. I whipped up a batch of beer. Haven't got a chance to try it yet. Not wearing glasses anymore. Sometimes. Because I got some contacts. But I need to buy some more. Need to mute my phone. Hold on. There we go. But, yeah, so the school year started up again, and I'm about to graduate in a semester, so I decided I'm not going to, I don't want to say try to, I'm not going to exhaust myself like I did last semester, taking a bunch of, I won't call them, they're difficult classes, and now my classes aren't difficult. And then I think I'm also going to talk about New Year's resolutions, because, like last year, I always keep my resolutions in my wallet, so, I just pull them out like that, and I guess I'll look over them and see if I held up, and then I'll see if I'll make some new ones or just keep on rolling with these ones because I probably didn't commit too hard to them. But I'm back in school, dropped about 3 classes and signed up for 3 new ones. So taking some industrial engineering classes, some wind energy classes. So I'm learning about how wind works and how to use numbers. I guess I think that's what industrial engineering is all about: how to use data and numbers. But we're gonna enjoy this semester. I'm gonna nice and relax. A little bit of spring cleaning in my room. I guess I moved my pumpkin around over there. I need to get rid of that from Halloween. But my room smells good, like patchouli. I think that's the scent I've been burning in here. Not burning, melting, wax burner. I don't know. But I need to get more organized. I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. And also, I need to figure out how to record this with my camera because my last video, the quality looks awesome. And now we're recording back on the little webcam duder, and I don't think it's going to be as awesome. But I'll figure that out. I'll get a tripod or something. I think the tripod worked nice last time. Or it was 2 times ago. Anyway, I'll figure it out. I might just put it on a stack of books or something, and I'll get figured out. Or maybe I'll change up the angle. That'd be interesting. There's other places in the room that could be filmed. I don't know, but it's gonna be a semester nonetheless. But I guess I'll jump into New Year's resolutions because they're important. So let's whip out this bad boy and see what we got on here. New Year's resolutions for 2018. Floss more. Started strong with that one. Did not follow through. I like floss on occasion though. Drink more water. Strong start, weak finish again. I'm gonna keep that one on there for this year. Take a me day. Don't know what that meant. Don't know what it means still. But I did go to Colorado, so that was kind of fun. That's more than one day, so that's perfectly fine. Be more open. I think I'm open as a book. Try working out. Done. 1 checked off the resolutions list. I definitely tried it, and I kept up with it. I tried working out 3 times a week at least, and except for winter break, I did a pretty solid job at that. But I'm back on it. I've been working out 2 or 3 days in a row and taking a rest day, and then getting right back on there. Healthy life, men's health. Learn to cook some new things. I think I did that one. I didn't count beer, but I feel like there's other things because I've been watching just tons of cooking videos on YouTube. Shout out to Binging with Babish and Brad Leone and all the other people out there on the internet that I watch, including all the food cooking shows on Netflix. So I think I learned how to cook something new. I couldn't tell you off the top of my head, but I'd probably figure that out in the kitchen. I think it's pasta with garlic and oil. I can cook that. I forget the fancy Italian name, which just means pasta with garlic and oil, but it's a real thing. It's from Chef. Keep GPA above 3.5. There was a lot of scares last year, but you know what? We brought up to 3.6. I might blur that one out. Nah, I think that's okay. And then take shorter showers. That's a bold-faced lie on that one. That was not going to happen on that resolutions list. So so far, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 resolutions, I knocked 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 out of 8. That's okay. We'll make some new ones, probably based off these old ones for this year. But you won't know what they are because if you share them, it's like a fortune cookie or a shooting star, or a birthday wish. It doesn't happen. So, in about a year from now, I'll whip another one of these out of my wallet and be like, so, I didn't meet all of them, but I met some of them. But, yeah, I think New Year's resolutions are kind of important. I forget about them a lot. That's why I keep this in my wallet, just kind of as like a reminder of like, what was I supposed to be doing this year? Oh, yeah, that's right. It's kind of like going to the grocery store and like remembering what groceries you want, except it's things you wanted to do with your life, I guess. But probably on this next one I'll put graduating, but I kind of assumed that was going to be happening no matter what. I wouldn't call that much of a resolution at this point anymore. But mysteries for the future. Other than that, back in Lubbock for my last semester. I'm pumped. I got a new plant. Can't see right here. It's an ivy plant. Because I was at Walmart and got bored and got an ivy plant. Oh, because I was picking up windshield wipers for my car and it passed the state safety inspection. So the PT Cruiser's back in action. Back in action again. Yeah. So the main reason it didn't pass though is because the horn wasn't loud enough. It originally sounded like a go-kart horn, like a squeak, a very loud, I wouldn't even call it a loud squeak, a subtle squeak. So I was like, alright, I'm going to get this new horn, I'm going to replace it and everything. So I take off my car horn to start replacing it, and I kind of just go like that with it, and a ton of water spills out of it, and all I could think was like, that's probably what was making it so quiet, all the water in there. So I proceeded to shake it vigorously until most of the water came out. Slapped it back on there, and it was enough to pass the safety inspection. So look out for me on the roads, I guess. I'll be going to your local Asian markets, picking up weird rainbow ramen like I did. That was yesterday. Wow. Oh, I have 4-day weekends now. I don't have class on Monday or Friday, so today really felt like a Sunday because all of Friday I was just kind of goofing around Lubbock getting things done, and now I'm like, wow, I've so much extra time. I'm thinking about substitute teaching maybe for Lubbock ISD, but that means I have to like actively do something, so I need to drop a class before the 22nd before they start charging me money. I'll do that one, internet. Thanks for reminding me. But there's a lot I want to do around here. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's back-to-back classes 8 to 2. So I feel like I'm in high school again, I guess. And then Wednesdays, my days start at 5 a.m. for work, and then work until the sun sets all over campus, and then after that it's back to sleeping. So I get typically like 4 hours of sleep, but I catch it all up on my 4-day weekends because, was it Thursday night? I got 14 hours of sleep. Probably in a bad way. But anyway, it happened. But with all this extra free time, hopefully I'll be popping more vlogs out, getting this quality content out there. Quality content. And then I remember turning off the fans this time. That was cool. And then I'll get a tripod and film it with the camera. Stay tuned, viewer, because I assume there's only one of you out there.